discomfort after the game that we played against Simba. But
the soccer city, it is a game week. We're all set as Shabalala goes wide here now. She's showing good intent here. Could be a real chance here. Aiden McCarthy that intervenes there. Now good pace corrected Velebayi. Debutant. This is Velebayi. Yeah, the Chiefs fans demanded the Chiefs bring Velebayi way up the table. Now Velebayi gets a big cheer every time he gets gone. So far so good. Amakhosi with the lead, courtesy of Mduduzi Shabalala. Nice turn from Velebayi to be about this defense. What has changed for you in the way the Chiefs defense? Let's have a look at Velebayi here as he... Nice Shabalala. Velebayi. He's going to take on his man, finds manages to find Shabalala with the pass. Now Velebayi to Shabalala. Let's go for it.
Yeah.
You're thinking of the shot, go for it. Five. Well, those that were available. By the way, for half-time then, to end a very entertaining first half. Now, Tervotele looking to bring it up. Gets it back from possession, back to Chiefs. Velebayi. Cut back from Velebayi, the chance here! Though. And that is just how close he came to his... You know all about that turkey, right? Oh, yeah, oof. Something there for Orbit College-man discussing this season.
Yeah, certainly he's dancing his way through. He certainly has his scoring boots on.
Now, pace of Velebayi. Igodaro waiting in the middle. Almost managing to get the cutback. I see he's discarded the gloves as Saleh. This in his 77th appearance. Velebayi. This means now Chiefs have scored in 9 of the done there by Bradley Cross. Excellent challenge. Velebayi. Igodaro calling for it. The changes then for Chiefs. Velebayi's debut is done, and what a debut it was, Amanda.
Good run for Velebayi. Should be proud of his performance.